How to contact Best Buy customer service. If you're having any sort of issue and want to contact customer care, you could find the help within the app. Open up your Best Buy app onto your device, log into your account, after which you then need to tap onto the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. And here what you need is just want to scroll down and you want to go to support center. Then you could go ahead and look for the topics if anything is related. If not, you could simply scroll down at the very bottom and there you have contact us. You could go ahead and select one of these options and accordingly contact them, let them know about it, and that's how things work. Secondly, if you are having such issue with the app, you would go ahead and open up your browser, type in Best Buy customer service. So once you do this, you will be able to find a toll-free number as well. You could tap onto any of these links and accordingly perform your action. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.